This is Epson Workforce Pro WFM4119DW. This printer is with Wi-Fi connection, Wi-Fi Direct and Ethernet. A4 printer, double-sided print, fast business quality printing, 22 print per minute in black, cost-effective ink, print up to 2,200 pages without changing ink cartridges, wireless solution, Ethernet, Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi Direct, Epson free mobile printing app. Print from anywhere in the home or office with Wi-Fi connectivity. Use Wi-Fi Direct to print from compatible wireless device without Wi-Fi network. Print speed to 2 print per minute. So this is what we have here. We're going to unbox this stuff, check it out and see what is inside. Nice. This is the packaging here. So you have this disc that contains this driver and the software and the information pack. And one ink cartridge. Power cable, 3-pin power cable. To carry this printer, you need to put your hand this corner and this side to be able to lift it up. I like the color. So this is the front panel here. And the ink cartridges holder just by the corner here. And this is the front panel. You switch this on and off from this button. Then this button is for you to go to home. This is with LCD screen, paper tray, and you can adjust this. So the papers, you have A4 liter 8x10, number 10 paper, A5 5x7, C6 and 4x6 photo paper.